Okay, I don't actually understand what's happening, but from memory, they picked 2, right, to go into like the super final. My gut feeling, Subwoofer and Elsie. Elsie was phenomenal. Ugh, Maria was good. Sophie sang much better than her semi. North Kid were good. It's definitely... What? What? Yes! Right, so my understanding is... Hold on a minute. Right, so Sophie's made it through. Is it 2 or 3? I don't know what's going on. Hey, Chest. Oh... I don't know. Is it 2 or 3? Maria, Subwoofer, or Elsie. Elsie was amazing. She gave me chills. I finally got the hype. Totally get it. Totally understand. Like, that was amazing. So was it 3 then? So Sophie, Elsie, and Subwoofer. It's either Subwoofer or Maria. I'm so excited Sophie's into the next stage, although I don't really understand what's happening. Yeah, obviously. Right, I think there's only 3. That's it then, right? No? No? Is there one more? It has to be Maria. It has to be Maria then. Oh, Farida. Bless her. She sang much better than the semi. It was much, 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 much better tonight. Well, it helps, obviously, when you've probably got the whole crew that are there because they don't have COVID. But is that it then? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Right. North Kid, Sophie, Elsie, Subwoofer. I know a lot of people said it's not as good as last year MGP, but at the end of the day, last year's MGP was just insane. It never was going to be. This was much better tonight. Think it's such a shame. Someone you loved. I love this song so much. She sang it so much better than she did in the semi. It wasn't coarse. This is good, isn't it? That's good. I feel like the writing's on the wall here. 4 completely different sounds, I must say. So, what's quite interesting... What happens now? I don't get it. I was watching Jude Kennedy and the other guy, I can't remember his name now, he's another YouTuber. They were talking about their predictions. And I think it was the other one, he said... You've got to remember, once the songs get knocked out, like Farida, the Farida votes need to go somewhere else. So, Elsie's going to pick up more votes, I think. I don't know what's happening now. North Kid. What?
Den andre og sisteplassen I gullduellen går til.
Right, well. No, that was my least favourite out of these four. Look at Sophie, bless her heart. She looks super nervous. I mean, they don't. Elsie.
Subwoofer.
Look, the writing's on the wall. It always was from the very beginning. I'm not, oh God, I'm not disappointed. This song's going to go to Turin. It's going to smash it. Unless North Kid beats them. I think huge. Elsie just like, get me off this stage. Elsie's like, I'm gone. I'm out of here. No, I'm sorry. I love Sophie. My channel is a testament of that. But I tell you what, Elsie deserved that place. It should be Elsie versus Subwoofer, in all seriousness. I don't know what's happening now. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Oh my days. They've got it. They've got it. Well done. I mean, the writing was on the wall, really, wasn't it? Like, from the very beginning, when all the songs came out. It was the obvious choice. Like, Norway has picked well. Like, this song is going straight out of the semi-finals. It's going to rustle some feathers at Eurovision. It's just going to be interesting how the juries react to this song. Because televotes, tell you what, like the British televote, I know full well. Latvia, I will say, maybe might get R12. But like, this is full on up our street. Like, the UK are going to love this. And it's going to be memorable. It's going to be one of those performances. You know, like how they go back in years, like, and kind of acknowledge like really infamous, famous, legendary performances. You know, in 10, 20 years, we're going to be seeing clips of this. Is Turin ready for Subwoofer? I don't know. But this is going straight out that semi. It's going straight into that final. It's going to do well. It's just going to be dependent on that jury. But behind this song, behind all like the buffoonery and the jovial aspect of the lyrics, there is a good song here. Right, we're gonna hear it one last time. Oh, it's been an amazing night. I've really enjoyed watching MGP. It's been brilliant. Oh, look at all the contestants coming on stage. Look, it's obviously definitely Ben Adams, one of them, isn't it? You can hear it in his voice. Look at North Kid getting involved in the dancing. Look at Annalisa Kimoji. She's just like, screw it, I'm getting involved. Even Elsie's like, oh God, if Annalisa Kimoji's doing it. Oh, the DJ doesn't have his DJ box. Oh, look at them all getting involved. It's cute. Can I just do a shout out to Annalisa Kimoji? She's the most loveliest lady. I follow her on Instagram, and she sent me a lovely video the other day. Oh, it is a good song. I think naturally people are going to be like, but then when you listen to the song, it is a good song. Look at Annalisa Kimoji. She's like, screw this. I'm getting my last few minutes on TV. I'm making the most of it. And actually, her colour scheme, she could totally be part of the backing dancers. Ah, it's been such a great night. I really was surprised that North Kid got into the top two. But some people saw that coming. There's a British YouTuber called Terry. He liked that song from the very beginning. And he said he had a sneaky suspicion it would do well. I would have liked to have seen Elsie in the final. I really, really would have done. But I think North Kid did deserve it. It was much better tonight. At the end of the day, the writing was on the wall from the very beginning, wasn't it? When all the songs came out, it was Subwoolfer's to lose. Is that part of the dance? They can't take that part of the dance to Turin. It looks dodgy as. Oh, do you know what? I've had an amazing night watching that. It's been great. And at the end of the day, a lot of people kind of said that MGP this year isn't as good as last year. It was never going to be. Last year was like kind of a once in a lifetime in the sense of so many decent songs. But I thought that the song selection or the songs in MGP 2022 was strong. And the right song won. I think Norway is going to really, really, really rustle some feathers this year. Yeah, I'm going to leave it there. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do click the notification button so you're informed if and when I post videos. And yeah, comment below. What do you think? Keith. And until next time, give that wolf a banana. I cannot wait for my friends and family to see this song.